It's like eating an apple rather than having artificial apple flavored syrup. That's what fluoride is. Fluoride has just come out with MAHA saying that they're going to recommend to states to remove it 100% from the water. And here's what we know. Fluoride occurs naturally in nature. It is a part of the body that we need, like trace minerals, like we need salt. But here's the thing, there's two things. One, that it's like using too much salt, it ruins the batch. Using too much fluoride is actually damaging to the body. But also the other factor is the fluoride that they're putting in the water is not the natural form of fluoride. The fluoride they're putting in the water actually comes in tanker trucks with the poison symbol on it. If this tanker truck spills on the freeway, they have to clear miles around in a circular and come in with hazmat suits to clean it up. They're putting this in our water and they say, oh, a little bit just doesn't matter. And it's true. A little bit wouldn't matter, but a little bit here and a little bit here and a little bit here, and its a cumulative effect, it's gone. And here's the fact about the body. When you take in natural foods, your body can adjust with those. And if you have too much, it flushes it out. How many of you have ever had a vitamin C eating contest and found out you had diarrhea the next day? Okay, a healthy amount gives you a good status for your body. An unhealthy amount gets washed out. And that's the truth. But here's the thing, when you take chemicals into your body has to make all these adjustments to try to get rid of those. And the unfortunate part is because we have toxins from the air and toxins from the water and toxins from the food and toxins everywhere, our body is just so freaking overwhelmed. It is struggling to remove the toxins it can from the body. So here's the truth about fluoride. They have done multiple studies showing that fluoride actually decreases intelligence. Think about that. It's in our water, it's in our toothpaste, it decreases intelligence. And so what are we doing? And then the other thing is, I know that I recently was trying to do things to rebuild my teeth and enamel so I wouldn't have to have a cavity taken care of. Fluoride wasn't the answer. Fluoride wasn't in any of the videos I watched to help my teeth remineralize and be healthy. I've spent over 2 decades helping families figure out where these toxins are, eliminate what they can, reduce what they can, and build up their body to handle what they can't change. But there's something that you can change. One, you can get a water filtration system that takes out the fluoride. And even though the government's going to be taking it out, there's more to that than what meets the eye. But also toothpaste. Watch your toothpaste. Commercial brands, even I heard a video the other day saying Tom's is being sued, which is a natural brand that I trusted at one point in my life. I use different kinds of toothpaste. Baking soda and salt is what my dad did. No thanks, the flavor kills me. But even just doing things for your teeth, I'm not a dentist. I'm just telling you what I've done to help improve our family's lives. So this information isn't for fear. It isn't for being scarce. It is for being aware. And when you're aware, you can make different choices. And that's what we want to talk about. Stress on the body matters. So we want to reduce those stresses in any and every aspect of our life as possible. Cleaner water is one of the simplest places to start because you and I and our kids are not broken. They're just blocked. See you next time on Love to Live, Eileen.